How to fix battery draining problem on iPhone. If your iPhone battery is draining too fast, don't worry. I've got some simple but effective fixes to improve your battery life. Let's jump right in. First, check which apps are draining your battery the most. Just go to settings, scroll down and tap on battery and look at the battery usage report. Here, as you can see, battery usage by app. If any app is using too much power, consider limiting its uses or updating it. As you can see here. Now, what you can also do is turn on low power mode. Low power mode helps extend battery life by reducing background activity. Just go back to battery, and here, as you can see, low power mode, simply turn that option on. Next, apps running in the background can drain your battery, so just go to settings and on general, scroll down and tap on background app refresh and make sure to simply turn off or select Wi-Fi only. Next step is to disable location services for unnecessary apps. Just go to settings, scroll down and tap on privacy and security, go to location services and disable it for apps that don't need it. For example, camera, like this, never. Next step is to adjust screen brightness and auto lock. Keeping your screen too bright might drain battery quickly. Reduce brightness from the control center and set auto lock to a lower time in settings. Here in display and brightness, simply go to set auto lock. As you can see here, auto lock, simply turn that on. Next step is to disable unnecessary notification. Every notification wakes up your screen and drains the battery. So let's go to settings and simply find an option that says notifications. Tap on it. Simply turn off for unneeded apps. And that's it. Try these steps and let me know in the comments if they helped.